In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom calls with HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This integration can help streamline your communication efforts and ensure that your Zoom calls are seamlessly connected with your HubSpot account, saving you time and making your processes more efficient. Whether you're a sales professional or a customer service representative, integrating these two platforms can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's get started. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the HubSpot website URL. Once you're there, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding with this integration. After logging in, you should be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. This is where all your tools and functionalities reside and where we'll be performing most of the integration steps. On the dashboard, locate the marketplace icon. It should be easy to find as it's visually distinct, resembling a little cart or shopping bag depending on the platform interface at the time. Clicking on the marketplace icon will take you to HubSpot's app marketplace. Here you'll need to navigate to the apps section. This is where you'll search for the specific tools you want to connect with your HubSpot account. Once in the apps section, you'll see a search bar. This is your next stop. Type in Zoom Phone into the search bar and wait for the results to populate. You might see several options related to Zoom, but you're specifically looking for Zoom Phone for HubSpot. This application will allow for the integration we're aiming to set up. Once you see the correct option, click on Zoom Phone for HubSpot to open its detail page. Here you can take a moment to review the features and benefits it offers. This is where you'll confirm that this is indeed the app you want to install. If you're satisfied with what you see, proceed by clicking on the Install App button. This will begin the installation process and prompt you to follow additional instructions to finalize the integration. The instructions are generally straightforward, but ensure you follow each step closely to avoid any setup issues. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of integrating Zoom with HubSpot, opening up a new world of efficiency and connectivity in your daily operations. Now you can start exploring how this integration enhances your communication processes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.